Thank you very much. Palakpakan natin, Director Crystal Bagatsing. Good morning!
Good morning!
Oo, may libreng chicha ngayon. Pero sa ating mga sponsor, thank you very much.
Good morning.
Sa ating mga kapwa-kawani, sa ating Vice Mayor, mga konsehal, at mga department head, sa inyong lahat, magandang umaga. Isang linggong nakalipas sa atin, noong nakaraang linggo. A very challenging week for the city of Manila, but we recovered. Salamat sa mga kawani ng DPS, sa mga kawani ng engineering, at kay Boysen. Palakpakan natin si Boysen para maawa si Davis. We try to recover as much as we can, as fast as we can, while the people of Manila is asleep after that incident. Your co-employees working 10 p.m. and after a certain group at 10 p.m. by 2 a.m. here comes another group of employees until from 3 a.m. until 12 noon, just to bring back certain level of maliwalas ang ating lungsod. You know, tourism month in a few hours will end, as like what Crystal Bagatsing said. But you know why we Manilans, we as Manilans, should continue to invite others, to welcome them to Manila, because there is a lot of story to tell among Filipinos, not Manileños. One way or another, they have experience in the city of Manila. They have a story to tell, and their experiences and relationship to the capital of the country. At ito'y pwedeng maging puhunan lagi ng Maynila. Yes, Manila is old, but it has a lot of history and story. While it is old, but we can make it pleasant. Maliwalas ang ating lungsod at panatag ang pamumuhay. So kaya ako'y hindi magsasawang manawagan sa mga dumadako sa Maynila. Sana naman pag sila'y pupunta rito, huwag naman nilang sisirain yung mga munti nating pinupundar na para maging maliwalas at maayos sa paningin at pakiramdam ang ating minamahal na lungsod. At kayo, welcome sa Maynila. In fact, to add to the long list of what we have done together through the leadership of DTCAM, by October 10, the people of Mindanao again will visit the city of Manila to sell their goods here. As you have heard about the Liliw incident, can you imagine 1,000 pairs of shoes? They were given opportunity here in Manila, and the same feelings that most of Filipinos, they go to Manila because Manila is the land of opportunity. Nagpunta yan mga dito. Nanay ko from Samar, nagbakasakali sa Maynila, nauwing kasambahay sa isang pamilyang abogado sa distrikto. Tatay ko from Antique, pumunta ng Maynila. I think everyone has a story to tell that ang Maynila ay nagbibigay ng pagkakataon kanino man, sino man, taga Maynila man o hindi. Last night, we have given opportunity to Barangay 409, a silent street full of activities, selling their goods, practicing their skills and talent. 2 weeks ago, in Campa de los Reyes, like now, katulad ng Tondo, Sogbo, everyone has a story to tell, sort of saying. Kaya sa inyong lahat na naparito, ano na tayo, in a matter of few hours, October na. Di ba, 2 days, no? 2 days na lang, October na. Di himig Pasko na. Ang tanong, may pamasko ba kayo? Paul, baka naman. But steady muna kayo sa Gedli. Kayong mag-alala. I'll do my best with the City Treasurer's Office and the City Assessor's Office, the Business Permit Office. Anyway, we will report to you in a matter of few days with regard to what transpired, what we have achieved, and our failure within 100 days period of our administration. But for now, I'm happy and proud to each and every one of you. At the rate we're going, mukhang makakaalpas tayo. Kaya uulitin ko, tuwing Lunes, buong kababaang loob, ako'y nakikisuyo sa inyo na pagbutihan ninyo ang inyong mga kanya-kanyang obligasyon sa City Hall at sa mamamayan. Galingan ninyo. Kailangan ko kayo. Sapagkat hindi ko naman ito magagawang mag-isa lamang. Everyone has its purpose and function. Nakita ninyo ang sigla ng paghahanap buhay sa Maynila. Konting linis lang, konting kuskus lang, kumikinang na muli ang Maynila. Kaya sana magtuloy-tuloy na mag-alab ang bawat damdamin, puso't isipan ninyo na tayo'y maglingkod ng tapat sa ating mga kababayan sa lungsod ng Maynila. Napakahirap. Marami sa inyo dyan, at the back of your mind, naiinis, nanggigigil sa nangyayari sa ating bansa. Ako na may masasabi ko sa inyo, hayaan nyo sila. Habang sila'y naghahabulan, tayo, hinahabol natin ang pagkakataon para itaguyod ang lungsod ng Maynila. But fair warning to them, you will never be allowed to do such thing in Manila. And to share it to you from zero, from nothing. There's so many talks, maraming mga chuchuwariwap, maraming idea, maraming komento, but your city government created an effort, legally went after them, and it produces good result. As we speak, from zero, we have received 135 million pesos from contractor's tax ng mga project ng DPWH na yan at national government. Results matter. I always believe in that. There is point A, there is point B. I will never ask what will transpire between point A to point B. What matter most is point B. Results matter. And that kind of money that we kailangan natin ay siya naman naming sisinupin na matugunan ang pang-araw-araw nating tustusin sa ating pagpapatakbo bilang pamahalaan at the same time pag-deliver ng mga kakailanganin ng ating mamamayan. Kaya tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. Malapit na. Malapit na 13 month. Malapit na Christmas bonus. Ang dami kami dinukwenta ni Paul no? Balita ko, meron pa daw yung medical Who joins? Steady lang kayo sa Gedli. Chill-chill lang kayo. I'll do my best with the help of our Vice Mayor, our councilors, and the department head. Pipilitin kong maging masinop, mainam. Wala tayong gagasusin ng walang kapararakan. Lahat ng gagasusin natin, although hand to mouth tayo, pero lahat ng gagasusin natin ay kapakinabangan ng taong bayan at kapakinabangan ng empleyado ng siyudad ng Maynila. Again, to our guests, thank you very much for coming to Manila. Welcome kayo lagi sa Manila. Sana lahat katulad ng DTCAM employees. Magaling ang boses. Para kayong lahat mga awit. Boses commentator sa radyo. I'm really proud and happy. Congratulations sa inyong lahat. Again, palakpakan natin ang DTCAM. So muli, mga kapwa ko lingkod bayan, tulungan ninyo ako. Kailangan ko ng tulong nyo. Maglingkod tayo ng tapat, mainam, at epesyente sa ating mga mamamayan. Mag-iingat kayo ngayong linggo. Mukhang na-delay ang bagyo. Mukhang ngayon palang paparating. But be that as it may. I ask God to keep you, to keep everyone safe and healthy and productive for this week. Good luck. May awa ang Diyos. May awa ang Diyos. Makakaraos tayo. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Pagpalain nawa kayo ng kung may kapatid. Manila! God first. Thank you.